Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the home screen clock widget style on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now, when you are dragging a clock widget to the home screen, this is the default style and color that you are getting. It is a solid background. To change it to another style, for example, this one here, you can see it has many outer circles. And to do that, what you want to do is, now if you don't know how to add a clock widget to the home screen, all you have to do is touch and hold onto the home screen. And then what you want to do is tap on widgets, then tap on clock, and then swipe across and then drag the widget to the home screen. And that is the default style. If you want to change the style, all you have to do is touch and hold onto the widget, then tap on settings. In settings, there are around 5 or 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 different styles that you could choose from. So select a style that you would like to use. Next, you can choose to have a background color of white or black. And you can also change the transparency of the background. And then tap on save. And here you can see I have a few different styles. I'm just going to readjust this clock size. As you can see here, I have different clock styles on my home screen. One is a solid background, one is kind of semi-solid, and one with a different outer style, different outer layer with many circles. And that's how you can change the clock style widget on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.